Hello. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install the Clearly Anywhere desktop softphone for your Windows or Mac computer. You will first need to log in to your user control panel in order to access the domain, which you will use to provision your desktop softphone. Your user control panel link will be unique to your phone system. You should have received this link from your phone system's administrators. Browse to this link to access your user control panel login page. Log in using the username and password assigned to your Clearly Anywhere desktop softphone. Your username will be your phone's extension number. You should have received your password from your phone system's administrators. The first time you log into UCP, you will see a welcome pop-up. You can click End Tour. Your browser may ask you to allow or block notifications. In this example, we will select Allow. Next, we need to create a new dashboard. Click on the screen to add a new dashboard. In this example, we will use the extension number of the phone we are going to be using. Click Create Dashboard. Next, select the plus symbol at the top left-hand side of the screen. There are many widget options available, but the one we want to select is the Softphone provisioning widget. Click the plus symbol on the provisioning widget to add it to your dashboard. We will return to this page later in this video. Next, we need to download the Clearly Anywhere desktop app onto your Windows or Mac computer. To download the app, you will first need to browse to the Clearly Anywhere desktop website. You can reach this page by clicking on the link in the description of this video, or by searching for Clearly Anywhere desktop app. Click the option that says Clearly Anywhere Desktop. Scroll down until you see the Mac OS and Windows symbols. Click whichever operating system you are using to download the Clearly Anywhere desktop app. Once the app has finished downloading, double-click the Clearly Anywhere file. Proceed with the installation instructions by clicking Next. Then, install. Your installation might be interrupted by an administrator pop-up asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Select Yes. You will have the option to run Clearly Anywhere and create a desktop shortcut. We will select both options. Now select Finish. The first time you use Clearly Anywhere, you will need to input the Clearly Anywhere credentials. Your username should be your phone's extension. You should have received your password from your phone system's administrators. Your domain can be found in your User Control Panel provision widget. Return to your User Control Panel. Highlight the field that says Domain. Copy the text. Return to the Clearly Anywhere app. Paste in the domain by using your PC's paste shortcut. For Windows, hold Ctrl and press V. For Mac, hold Command and press V. Click Sign in. You are now ready to use your Clearly Anywhere desktop app.